best friend's dinner. Ready? The best sound. This is Chilean Sea Bass. These two pieces are 1 pound each. I always start skin side down, very well seasoned, salt, pepper, and in a pan of olive oil. I'm gonna get that going here, and skin side down so it gets nice and crispy. That's like my favorite part. Now this one's been heating up, ready to go for our sea scallops. Look how beautiful these sea scallops are. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. All right, so these are also seasoned and dry. That's the key. You're not gonna get a sear if they don't have, or if they have moisture. You wanna hear that sizzle? So what we say is the one side's gonna have like a nice crust and the other side is going to be kissed. So you're gonna have a nice sear on this side, and then you wait, you're gonna see the opaque sides halfway up and then flip. And then just a few minutes, this will all be ready. All right, so I just flipped on nice, beautiful crust, and the kiss side, get some butter. Because, you know, everything's better with butter. Yum! So this is gonna need just no time at all. I'm even gonna turn off the heat. I don't wanna overcook the butter or burn it, because then you can't turn it around. These guys are beautiful, crispy, cooking through. Just a couple more minutes. You don't wanna overdo it. Yum! And then crab cake. All right, so we've got these beautiful, take a look at these. Jumbo, don't look at my hands. Jumbo lump crab meat, crab cakes with Old Bay on top. I know it's a Maryland thing, Old Bay or J.O. I'm an Old Bay girl, so I know that it's city divided here, but I'm gonna go with Old Bay. And these barely hold together. You don't want a lot of fill. Like, you want it to be 95% crab meat. Anything less, and you're not in Maryland. So we're gonna let them pan sear a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter, get a nice crust, heat it through, and then flip to the other side. All right, now we're getting the octopus ready. Yum, yum.